Nowadays, remake has become a trend in Indian film industry. This year, we already have seen some remake films such as Pink, which is remade in Telugu as Vakil Saab, Kanchana as Lakshmi in Hindi, Asuran as Narappa in Telugu, Tadam as Red in Telugu, and some more. So, now we have come up with upcoming most awaited remake movies in Indian films. Please have a look. Ayyappanam Kosham is a super hit mass thriller film from Malayalam industry. Both Prithviraj Sukumaran and Biju Menon gave an excellent performances. Now, this film is going to be remade in Telugu with Pawan Kalyan and Rana Daggubati. Also, the film going to be remade in Hindi. Chhatrapati is one of the best films from both Rajamouli and Prabhas. Now, this film is going to be remade in Bollywood with young hero Bellankonda Sai Srinivas under the direction of V.V. Vinayak. Kannada sensational crime thriller film Birbal. It is now getting remade in Telugu with Satyadev as lead role. The film is also getting remade in Tamil. Hit The First Case. It is one of the best mystery action thriller film from Tollywood. The film was directed by Sailesh Kolano. Vishwak Sen and Ruhani Sharma played in lead roles. Sailesh Kolano is going to direct the Hindi version of this film with Rajkumar Rao and Sania Malhotra in lead roles. Kappala is one of the best Malayalam romantic drama film in the recent years. Annabelle, Srinath Basi and Roshan Matthew played in lead roles. Now, the film is going to be remade in Telugu with Arjun Das and Sidhu Jonnalagadda in lead roles. Diya. It is a Kannada romantic drama film written and directed by K.S. Ashoka. Prithvi Ambar, Deekshit and Kushi Ravi played in lead roles. The movie got a huge response from the audience and it is loved by all over the country. Now, the film is getting remade in Telugu as Dear Megha. Megha Akash, Adi Tarun playing in lead roles. Andhadhun is a black comedy crime thriller film co-written and directed by Sriram Raghavan. Ayushmann Khurrana, Tabu, Radhika Apte played in lead roles. Film received 3 national awards. Now, the film is getting remade in Telugu with Nitin and Tamanna as Maestro. Film is also getting remade in Tamil with Prashant and Simran. Jersey is a sports drama film written and directed by Gautam Tinanuri. Nani, Shraddha Srinath played in lead roles. After its huge success, film is getting remade in Bollywood with Shahid Kapoor and Mrunal Thakur in lead roles. Kaiti is a Tamil action thriller film written and directed by Lokesh Kanagaraj. Karthi played in the lead role. Now, the film is going to be remade in Bollywood with Ajay Devgan. Mufti is a Kannada language neo-noir action thriller film directed by Narthan making his debut. Shivaraj Kumar, Sri Murali played in lead roles. After its super success in Kannada, now the film is getting remade in Tamil with STR and Gautam Karthik in lead roles. Also, the film is going to be remade in Telugu with one of the top actor, but however, official cast confirmation is not yet finalized. Love Mocktail. It is a Kannada romantic drama film directed by Krishna in his directional debut. Krishna Milana Nagaraj played in lead roles. Already, the film got huge response all over India. Now, the film is going to be remade in Telugu as Gurtunda Seethakalam with Satyadev and Tamanna. Crack made a huge success at the Tollywood box office and also Ravi Teja made a super comeback with this film. Now, the film is going to be remade in Bollywood with Sonu Sood. Irumbu Thirai is a Tamil action thriller film directed by debutant P.S. Mithran. Vishal, Arjun and Samantha played in lead roles. Now, the film is going to remade in Bollywood with Sonu Sood and Vishal. Master is an action thriller film written and directed by Lokesh Kanagaraj. Thalapathy Vijay and Vijay Sethupathi played in lead roles. Film became huge success at the box office. Now, the film is going to remade in Bollywood with Hrithik Roshan in the lead role. RX100 is a Telugu romantic action drama film written and directed by Ajay Bhupati. Kartikeya and Payal Rajput played in the lead roles. Film is based on true incidents. Now, the film is going to remade in Tamil with Adi Pinishetty in the lead role. Also, the film is getting remade in Bollywood with debutant Ahan Shetty in lead role as Tappad. Lucifer. It is a Malayalam action thriller film directed by Prithviraj Sukumaran. Mohanlal Vivek Oberoi played in the lead roles. Movie became huge success at the box office. Now, the film is going to remade in Telugu with Chiranjeevi in the lead role. Natsamrat. It is a Marathi drama film. Nana Patekar played in the lead role. Now, the film is getting remade in Telugu as Ranga Martanda, directed by Krishna Vansi. Brahmanandam playing in the lead role. Vikram Veda. It is a Tamil neo-noir action thriller film written and directed by Pushkar Gayatri. Madhavan and Vijay Sethupathi played in lead roles. Now, the film is going to remade in Bollywood with Hrithik Roshan and Saif Ali Khan in the lead roles. Also, the film is likely getting remade in Tollywood with Ravi Teja as one of the lead. Ala Vaikuttapuramlo. It is a Telugu action drama film directed by Trivikram Srinivas. Allu Arjun and Pooja played in lead roles. Now, the film is going to remade in Bollywood with Karthik Aaryan in the lead role. Vanagaram is an action thriller film written and directed by Lokesh Kanagaraj. Sri Sandeep Kishan and Regina Cassandra played in the lead roles. Now, the film is getting remade in Hindi with Vijay Sethupathi, Vikram Vasse in the lead roles and will be directed by Santosh Sivan. Queen is a Hindi comedy drama film directed by Vikas Bal. Kangana Ranaut played in the lead role. Now, the film is going to remade in all 4 South Indian languages: Telugu, Tamil, Kannada and Malayalam. Joseph. It is a Malayalam crime thriller film directed by M. Padmakumar. Jojo George played in the lead role. Now, the film is going to remade in Telugu and Tamil languages with Rajshekhar and R.K. Suresh. Ratsasan is a Tamil psychological crime thriller film directed by Ram Kumar. Vishnu Vishal and Amala Paul played in the lead roles. Now, the film is going to remade in Bollywood with Ayushmann Khurrana. Nandi. It is a Telugu language crime drama film directed by debutant Vijay Kanaka Medala. Allar Naresh and Varalakshmi Sarath Kumar played in the lead roles. Film became commercial success and gave a comeback to Allar Naresh. Now, the film is going to remade in Bollywood with Ajay Devgan. Driving License is a Malayalam drama thriller film directed by Lal Jr. Prithviraj Sukumaran and Suraj played in the lead roles. Ram Charan has taken the Telugu remake rights and one of the lead actors going to play the lead role in the Telugu remake of Driving License. Aniyan is a Tamil psychological action thriller film written and directed by S. Shankar. Vikram, Sada, Prakash Raj played in the lead roles. Film became huge success all over India. Now, Shankar is going to remake this film in Hindi with Ranveer Singh. Vedalam is a Tamil action film written and directed by Shiva. Ajit Kumar and Lakshmi Menon played in the lead roles. Film became super success in Kollywood box office. Now, the film is going to remade in Telugu with Chiranjeevi in the lead role. Ishq is a Malayalam thriller film directed by Anuraj Manohar. Shane Nigam, Anne Sheetal, and Shane Tom Chayko played in the lead roles. Now, the film is going to be remade in Telugu as Ishq with Teja and Priya Prakash Warrior in lead roles. Helen is a Malayalam survival thriller film directed by Mathukutty Xavier in his directorial debut. Anna Ben played in the lead role. After its success, the film is getting remade in Telugu, Kannada, and Hindi. Surarai Putru is a Tamil drama film directed by Sudha Kongara. Surya, Paresh Rawal, Aparna Balamurali played in the lead roles. The story is inspired by true incidents from the life of Deccan founder G.R. Gopinath. Surya gave one of the lifetime performance in this film. Now, Surya and co going to produce this film in Hindi. Shahid Kapoor is likely to act in this remake film. Karnan. It is a Tamil action drama film directed by Mari Selvaraj. Dhanush, Lal played in the lead roles. The film is now getting remade in Telugu with Belankonda Sai Srinivas. Sonu K. T2 Ki Sweetie is a Hindi comedy drama film written and directed by Love Ranjan. Karthik Aryan, Nusrat Bharucha, and Sunny Singh played in lead roles. The film became one of the highest grossing Bollywood films of 2018. Now, the film is going to be remade in Telugu with one of the popular young actor under Suresh Productions. So that's all guys. Please do subscribe and click on notification icon for more videos. Take care.